Hi everyone! Let's unbox the pasalubong from my love, my hubby, John Angelo Beza, Beijing. Kung nasaan ka man ngayon, magpakasaya ka at mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much. And ito na nga ang kanyang pasalubong. May, I guess it's a cookies with chocolate sprinkles and also the barquilos and piayas. The barquilos, special barquilos from Bongbong's, Bite Bite, etc. Sobrang sarap ito guys. So, thank you so much love. See you soon. Mwah. And ito na nga. Sinip ko na pala ako. Hindi ko na makapagpili ang aking voice over guys. So, may toasted muffins. Kasi ito sa pinaka-favorite ko talaga yung toasted muffins. And of course, the utap. Very, very yummy utap. Ito ang pinaka-gusto ko kainin talaga pagpasalubong.